Hi there, friend. Let's take a little calm moment before school begins. You can sit or lie down, just get comfy. Now, close your eyes if you'd like, and let's take one slow breath together. In through your nose, and out through your mouth. Nice and easy. Imagine you're holding a tiny backpack. But this isn't any backpack, it's your brave backpack. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The first thing you see is a soft, squishy cloud of courage. Give it a little squeeze. That cloud reminds you can do hard things. Next, you find a shiny bubble of kindness. It floats up and pops with a smile. That bubble reminds you there are friends all around you. And the last thing, a glowing light of calm. It's warm, like sunshine in your chest. Now take one more deep breath in. You're ready. If you'd like a little extra magic before school, check the link in the description to get your ready confetti. Start your first day with calm, courage, and a sprinkle of joy.